In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping options in Squarespace. We'll walk through enabling local pickup, exploring shipping extensions, and creating 3 common shipping methods: flat rate, weight-based, and carrier calculated. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable setup your customers can understand at checkout. Start by signing in and opening your site's dashboard. From there, use the search bar at the top of the settings panel and type Shipping. If you see a prompt that says, Set up shipping rates for your store, click it. This takes you to the shipping area under your commerce or selling settings. If you're prompted to connect tools, click Connect and then view all shipping extensions to see options for labels, fulfillment, or carrier integrations. You can browse those now and return later if needed. The key is knowing where they live under extensions for shipping and fulfillment. Back in shipping, let's turn on local pickup. Open pickup, enable it, and add clear pickup instructions, such as where customers should go and any timing or identification notes. Save your changes and return to the main shipping page. Now, add your first shipping option and choose. Define your own rates. Pick flat rate. Give it a customer-friendly name like standard shipping. Set a price, and choose the regions or countries where it applies. If there are order minimums or other conditions you want to reflect, keep the description concise so shoppers know exactly what they're getting. Save and ensure the toggle is on so it's active. Add another option and select weight-based. Name the rate, then set the weight range and the price for that tier. If you use multiple tiers, create separate entries for each range. This method relies on accurate product weights, so make sure your products have weights in their product settings. Otherwise, the calculator can't place orders into the right tier. Save and activate the option. Add one more option and choose Carrier Calculated. Enter your ship from address so Squarespace can pull live services. Pick your preferred carrier and available services you want to offer at checkout. Review container settings. Squarespace estimates using the fewest containers, and you can add your own custom boxes or use carrier presets when available. If you want to offset packaging or handling, add a small markup, either a flat amount or a percentage, and keep it reasonable to avoid cart abandonment. Save and toggle it on. That's it. Your shipping page now lists local pickup, flat rate, weight-based, and carrier calculated options. You can reorder or disable them anytime, and customers will see the right choices based on their location and what's in their cart.